In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts list to GoHighLevel. Before we click around, a quick prep tip. Make sure your contact list is saved as a clean CSV or spreadsheet with clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and phone. Remove blank rows, fix obvious typos, and confirm you have permission to contact everyone on the list. This will save you time during mapping and help you avoid deliverability issues later. Start by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account and heading to the Contacts section. This is your home base for everything related to people in your database. At the top right, look for the Import button and select it. You'll be brought to the import flow. Choose the option for Contacts, then continue by clicking Next to move forward. Now upload your file. You can drag and drop it or browse your computer. Larger files might take a few moments to process, so don't worry if you see a brief loading indicator. Once the file is recognized, proceed to the next screen. You'll now map your columns to GoHighLevel fields. This step tells the system which column in your file belongs to which field in the CRM. For example, match your first name column to the first name field, email to email, and so on. Be precise here. Accurate mapping ensures your automations, segments, and messages work correctly later. If your file includes extra columns, map them to existing custom fields if they already exist, or leave them unmapped if you don't need them. Double-check phone numbers are in a consistent format, and that emails look valid. When everything looks aligned, move ahead by clicking Next. You'll see a verification screen to review your selections. This is your chance to catch anything that doesn't look right, like a column accidentally mapped to the wrong field, or a header row included as data. If something's off, go back and fix it. If it's all correct, you're good to proceed. Finally, start the import. GoHighLevel will begin processing your file. You can continue working while it runs in the background. For larger lists, give it a little time. Then return to Contacts to confirm the new records appear as expected. If you notice any anomalies, adjust your file and re-import just the corrected rows. That's it. Open your sub-account, go to Contacts, start an import, upload your file, map your columns carefully, verify, and launch the import. Follow these steps and you'll have a clean, actionable contact list in GoHighLevel ready for campaigns, workflows, and reporting. Thanks for watching, and happy importing.